When somebody's injured in a serious accident and they're going through a lot of stress, they're dealing with pain, medical care issues, maybe an employment issue, family issues, one of the things they may be wondering about when they're determining, hey, do I need to hire an attorney, is, well, how much is this case worth? In a major injury case, that is not something that you can decide usually right away. And not only that, there are a lot of things that can affect what you actually bring home, what goes in your pocket as the injured party at the end of a case. And that's because you've got limits on insurance coverage out there, so that no matter how badly you're hurt, there may be just so much available if you're in a situation maybe where you're just bringing what is called an uninsured motorist claim. You have hospitals out there that routinely file liens that have become increasingly aggressive about trying to enforce their liens and get reimbursement. That's money that comes out of your pocket at the end of the case, and that is something that we involve ourselves in. And that's part of the process of trying to get you the best result we can. If you have health insurance, that's usually a good thing, because then you don't have to worry about paying your medical provider out of your recovery at the end of the case. Even with health insurance, though, you may have your health insurer trying to collect for what they have paid for your medical expenses. So when you have an auto injury case, especially a serious injury case, a lot of times you got a lot of these third parties that are trying to get in there and take what would otherwise be yours, and they can do that under the law. These are big businesses, major corporations, and the legislature has given some of them, especially hospitals who can file liens, some very strong rights of recovery. That is a major part of handling an auto injury, car crash, and in trying to get you the most money that's possible to put in your pocket. So, even if right away we're evaluating your case, say, well, this case is worth $1 million in damages, that doesn't mean you're taking home $1 million. There's some fights other than with the party that injured you that have to take place normally before we know how much you're going to get.